This week's reading was chapters 9, 10, 11, and 14. And I'm going to take the most time on 9, because 9 was organizing the speech. So when you have a speech, each speech has major parts, and you have 2 to 5 major parts. The types you can have is a chronological order, which is first, second, third, first, next, after that. Then you have spatial order, which is main points followed by a directional pattern. Now, casual order is cause and effect, which I think is the best because you call something causes this. Once it causes it affects something else. Problem solution is first point problem, second main point solution. So chronological order and problem solution could get mixed up sometimes. Topical order, you have main points divided topic into logical consistent subtopics. But you want your main points, you want to keep them separate, but you want to have the same pattern of wording when you use it, and you want to balance time between each main part. So you don't want to spend 5 minutes on one part and on one major part and 1 minute on the second. Now, the supporting materials you could have is connective, transitional, internal preview, internal summary, and And then chapter 10 was your beginning and ending. Your intro, you need to gain attention. You can tell a story. I sometimes give a joke sometimes, get their attention. When you speak, you want to have credibility. Credibility is whether someone will believe you or not, whether they can trust you. You also have goodwill, which is does the audience think that you have the best interest for them. Then when you're preparing, be creative on what you do, and always have a conclusion. Hint the conclusion and round out the conclusion. So summarize everything you talked about. Chapter 11 was outlining a speech. You want to have a prep outline, and then if you do a bibliography in the outline, you want to have the sources of everything you've looked up. You have a speaking outline, which will jog your memory. You can look at it while you're giving a speech, so you can glance down and keep your place. And then chapter 14, you want to have visual aids. Visual aids you can have clarity. It can give more interest to the speech. The audience can have more retention, that they'll remember the speech, but it gives you more credibility because you're not the only one saying it. But you can have objects and models, photos, graphs, charts, and videos. Also, with the advantages of having a visual aid, you can persuade them more.